Hey guys, in this video we're gonna fix the explore page of Instagram. So whenever you try to access the explore page of Instagram, it will quite opposite to your niche. So if you want to get content related to your niche, then make sure to watch this video till the end, and otherwise you can miss something very important. Alright, so let's get started. So if you're not getting relevant content on your explore page, it means that the algorithm of your explore page is disturbed, and now you have to correct it in order to get the content which is related to your niche. So how would you do that? Alright, so first of all, one thing that I want to mention here is that to get the algorithm back of the explore page, you need to spend at least 5 minutes per day on your explore page, and in the upcoming few days or maybe couple of weeks you will get some unique content that will be related to your niche. Alright, so the process is so simple. You just have to pick a post that you want to be here, like on your explore page. So simply you're gonna go ahead and like that post, and similarly you have to pick another post. In the case if it's not related to your niche and you don't want to get the post here, so simply go ahead and click on the three vertical dots in the top right and just remove it by clicking not interested. So this is a simple process through which you can fix your explore page. You just have to like those specific posts that are relevant, that matches your content and that you want to get in your explore page, and simply remove those posts that doesn't matches with your niche. And after doing this activity 5 minutes per day, in the upcoming days you will be able to get some amazing content related to your niche. So I hope this tutorial helps you out. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.